Alright, another day in the garage. It's really nice out. It's gonna be like a high of 70 degrees and it's February. Oh, sorry, it's March 2nd. But yeah, back at it at the door. I'm gonna take these off, see what we're working with, and then I'm gonna consider this probably temporarily done. And then we are going to get to work on this side piece right here. So I couldn't help myself. I started to take a look at what's going on with the metal. We got a lot of rust right there, unfortunately. But I should be able to handle it. I'm gonna remove all the paint from this sill, see what I'm working with, and then probably start cutting away. But yeah, a lot of rust. Not great, but also not terrible. So that's the plan for today. We're in Colorado, pretty dry environment. I've had some bare metal hanging out for quite some time and it never turns into rust, so that's a good thing. All right, let's get to it. Let's take these panels off, see what we're working with, and then we'll get to work on the body right there. See what's underneath this thing. Whoa. Okay. Well, that's disintegrating. Cool. Looks like that's how you get to the glass. This is garbage now. And let's also do this one right here. Probably won't be able to do much with this. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave that one on, I think. We'll just tighten that back down. So I don't think I can get this handle off. Alright, that's great. Cool. It just breaks away. Oh my goodness. Well, this is a cool line. Look at all that body color. Holy smokes. Alright, we're going to take a look and see what that is. Yeah, that's not great, but should be able to take care of it. Oh boy. Alright. Slowly making progress. A lot of bond now. There's the damage. But we're making progress. So, alright. Keep going. That's what the damage was. Looks like it was just a big old break. They cut it out and replaced this panel up right here. So I have to bust out the grinder to take care of that, but whatever. Started just taking a look at the paint on the top. I'm probably going to do that another day, but
Now that my battery's charged with the grinder, let's get back to this thing.
Oh man, all right. That is it. I am very messy. Oh God. But yeah, cut out some rust, took care of some paint. That's it for this episode of Dust in the Garage. So hopefully I'll have some more content for you guys later in the week. Well, next week, but I'm gonna be working on it this week. All right, like, subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.